Hi everyone, welcome back to another English lesson. Today's lesson is on types of sentences. Get ready for a very challenging activity that will make you think. Just listen to my instructions carefully as we go along. It would be nice if you could keep a pen and a book with you. This will help you to improve your English. You just need to keep a book and pen ready and follow the instructions to the T. Are you ready? The first one, make an interrogative sentence in which each word begins with the letter W. I know you have to think, but isn't this fun? An interrogative sentence. And each word must begin with the letter W. Well, if I can do it, so can you. Here's my answer. Why was Warren wailing? Interesting. If you see carefully, you will notice that each word begins with the letter W. Why was Warren wailing? Let's move on to another one. Are you ready for another challenge? Make an exclamatory sentence in which each word begins with the letter S. Any sentence you like. Here's my answer. Such startling simplicity. Okay, shall we go to the third one now? Make a declarative sentence in which each word begins with the letter D. You will agree with me that declarative sentences are so much easier to make. Come on, try this. Got it? Here's my answer. David dropped Daisy's diya. Each word begins with the letter D. And it is a declarative sentence or an assertive sentence. It makes a statement. Moving on now, here's the fourth one. Make an interrogative sentence in which each word begins with the letter I. The letter I in each word. You can do it. Want to see my answer? Here it is. Is Isabella in isolation? There you go. It's quite easy if you think. The fifth one, make an imperative sentence in which each word begins with the letter T. An imperative sentence now. I hope you remember what an imperative sentence is. It makes a request or a command. Look at my sentence. Turn that tap tightly. T, 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 T. Turn that tap tightly. All right, here's the sixth one for you. Make an exclamatory sentence in which each word begins with the letter H. The letter H. Okay, look at mine. How horrendously horrifying. Okay, are you ready for the seventh one now? Make a declarative sentence or an assertive sentence in which each word begins with the letter F. F. All right, look at my sentence. 5 fearless frogs felt feverish, and then they went to the frog doctor. All right, those were the 7 challenges that I had for you today. But before we end the lesson, I have something else for you to think about. Complete this sentence in any way you choose. Roshan rarely, anything you want to say. Okay, I could say Roshan rarely combs his hair. Roshan rarely visits the mall. Roshan rarely eats his vegetables. Anything you want. Just remember that your sentence must always begin with a capital letter and end with either a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. And then you're good to go. So I'll end today's lesson now. I hope you had fun. I hope you had to think a lot. And I hope you learned a lot as well. We'll meet again very soon. Until then, cheerio.